Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time, so if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here.
All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. I'm back at it again. Out here in the west side of the Las Vegas Valley in the master plan community of Summerlin, just right off the 215 and Charleston. And today we're going to be touring this lovely modern home by Lennar. This is actually the Alexander model, but the name of the community is called the Arches. That consists of about 60 lots, all single-story homes here, as you can see. HOAs here are roughly about 116 some change. Plus you have a master plan fee of about $55 a month. Also, I want to include that there are some SIDs, a balance. Not sure what the balance is, but you'll be paying about $2,000 a month. I'll get you the balance later on. All you got to do is just call and request it. We'll let this guy go through first, so that way I don't get run over. So with all these next gens, with all these single-story models here, what you'll see is that comes with the next gen. We just got done touring the Edwards model, or the Edward, and I love the design of that home. The only thing that I don't like was the bathroom. So go check out the model. Now we're gonna take a look at this one, which is the Alexander, which consists of 3,892 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 4.5 bath. And you have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Now, this is the first community that I've seen that has pretty much off the grid, which is a net zero type of home. And let me show you what's going on here. So it's 100% off of solar, and you have this Tesla battery bank here, which stores all the power. But let's just say if power does get cut off, how long does it last for? That I'm not too sure. I feel the technology is just not there yet. However, I think that's kind of cool, but I just don't even know how they got this to pass with Nevada Power is not tapped into it. So this is a little bit unique for me. But what happens if you change your mind? You're like, hey, I don't no longer want that because I would like to have some power. But if you take a look, NV Energy here is still here. So that's pretty interesting. But you would figure that you would still have to pay a service fee, okay? Here's your shutoff switch here for the power, just in case something happens, right? Your disconnect. Oh, one thing I didn't notice is that we have your track system here for your pest control system. This is a 3-car garage, as you can see. You got the Reen, basically the hot water heater, and you have a timer on there too as well. It's pretty cool. And I love the driveway. The only thing about this driveway, you definitely better get it sealed, which is, these ones are actually sealed, which is really nice. Elevation, pretty cool elevation. I like how that one kind of just curves in. Just to kind of give you an idea, with the landscaping that you see here, especially with these new home builds, you're not going to get the exact same landscaping. Also, one thing I would highly recommend for you to do is find out where the gray line is, which means is your sewer line, right? Because I want you to find out if it's here, which is your clean outs here. They have a flap for a backflow, just in case sewage line gets backed up. You got this backflow flap, so that way nothing goes back into your house. Something I definitely would look out for. Just a question that you should be asking. I love these flat eaves here. Really nice. Did a really good job. on this home. You got this front gate here that has these courtyards. Kind of gives a modern, however, I mean, it's not as thick, but of cool design. One thing I noticed what they did was they cladded this, right? Kind of give that dimension. They cladded this too with stone, which is perfect for this courtyard. Now with these flat roofs, what I like about them is that if it was a pitch roof, you would have to have rain gutters here. But for the flat roofs, it's pushing the water out somewhere else. Now in this one right here, this flat roof is pushing the water here because I can already see the eaves, right? This is where all the water is going to come. So I'd probably do a rain gutter, but surprisingly they didn't push it back out that way. Now with the stucco, they could have just stuccoed this whole thing, but they also added control joints in between, which is number one, because the home is going to expand and contract, but also this makes a cool look to it. So I do like that. These are probably Alpine windows. That's what they look like. I mean, they're not your top grade, but oh well. You got this nice pivot door. This pivot door here is a 54-inch, I believe, pivot door. You got the Ring doorbell. And then we have our keypad. Let's go inside here. Now this one is a very unique floor plan. So this is more of a contemporary floor plan. The floors here are 9 by, I think, 48 inches on the wood-like tile here. 12-foot ceilings. Show you the measurements. And also what is included. You guys go ahead and freeze that. Frame whenever you got free time. There you go. Got the alarm here. So we have this kind of like square box, but let's see. What is this all about? Okay, so this is built out all the way. Okay, nice kitchen. 42 upper cabinets. Well, actually 42 on the cabinets. 18-inch uppers with no doors. I definitely would add some doors or some LED lights, some puck lights above and below that cabinet. And some lights here, especially a home like this. So this island is 6 by 10. You have a little ice maker here. Undermounted sink. 3-inch front face with the waterfall quartz countertops with some brown veining to it. Appliances are the monogram appliances. Got this built-in refrigerator. I believe this is a 72-inch or something like that. I can never remember how big the refrigerator is, but you're definitely losing depth there. You got the pot filler. 48 inches on this nice burner here. Love the gold handles. You have the hood to match. Exhaust all the way out. Let's take a look. What is back here? So here's your 3-car garage. Pantry. Wow, this is a pretty large pantry. Definitely perfect size for doomsday, that's for sure. You got additional cabinet space. You got an 8-foot slide. Here's your formal dining. Now this lot is not that big, but I mean, you could definitely put a pool in here for sure. Now what's unique about this one is my rant on this one is that you have the next gen suite here, which doesn't give you private access, right? So basically what would happen is that your guest or whoever lives with you would have to come through this main house, versus the Edward model, you have a private access, right? We have a 12-foot slide, covered patio. I think somebody's in there right now, so we're gonna head down this way. Give them their privacy. So what do we have here? Okay, laundry room. Definitely this laundry room is a lot smaller than the Edwards. So as of right now, I like that Edwards model. I don't know why I say Edwards. There's no S at the end, just the Edward. You got that 42 upper cabinets, 3-inch crown. And you got the Pkwy fiberglass sink, 6-panel door. You have that Santa Fe texture, straight edge cornering, 2 inches on the frame, floating cabinets or vanity, 36 inches high. Then we have a bedroom here. You have a private suite. Now this is a pretty large private suite. One thing I don't like about this is that we definitely need to add some more can lighting here, because this one can lighting, this ain't gonna work for me. And you have this window from the courtyard, which is nice, brings in some light. Coming into the bathroom. Tub shower combo. Love the cladding. You got Moen fixtures. Yeah. Here's your walk-in closet. Now you got the next gen on that side. Here we have our primary. And this is more of another section, another living area where you have a large like den area or like additional family room. This one's a little bit unique. However, I believe on this one you can turn this into another bedroom, one of the options I believe. The thermostat here. Now coming down this hallway, we have a bedroom, another suite up in the front. Now these are some pretty large suites. Got your walk-in closet, and right above we have our attic access. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Fiberglass tub shower combo pretty much matches the rest. 36 inches on the cabinets here. Now let's go take a look at the primary. Let's find out what's going on with this primary. So the primary has its kind of like west wing. Here's the bathroom for it. So this must be hers. Toilet here, or water closet. It must be his. Wow. This one has washer and dryer. Now the other one, the Edward model, you had pretty much 3 laundry rooms. This one should have it too, because you got that next gen as well. Nice high ceilings though. I feel like there's just a lot of dead space. Ooh, a lot of light coming in, which is gorgeous. Love that. See if we can go outside. Nope, it's locked. We can't go outside. All right, let's go take a look at the next gen. Let's see what that's all about. These Traverse LED lights with the soft white, it's just way too soft for me. All right, coming through, let's take a look. So, you walk into the bedroom first. What do we have here? Okay, our bathroom's on this side. Pretty much all the same. Definitely have to add some lights here. Pretty decent size because this is a king size bed. Thermostat. Your walk-in closet with your laundry room. Wow, this is a little bit unique. I'm going to shut off this door here. Oh, take a look at this. We do have a side access. I was wrong. Oh, not bad. So you walk off to the side. Here's your third car garage. You park your car. They can walk through here. Your parents have a little courtyard, and they can access to the back too as well. Ooh, I'm starting to like that, which is cool. So they would walk in through here. Okay, not bad. Then it looks like your kitchen would be here. Very tight. Very tight. All right, so if I had to pick and choose, it definitely would be the Edwards by far. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart, guys. I really, really do mean it. And I'm going to ask you to give me a thumbs up, show the love, and show the support. And also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, we would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, be blessed, folks.
If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.